This is homework number 5, question number 6. And what the question is asking is 3x squared plus 9xy plus 5y squared minus 6x squared plus 4xy times y prime is equal to 0. Where with an IVP of y of 2 is equal to negative 6 and when x is greater than 0. So, first thing we're going to do is we're going to start not separating, but moving the problem around to getting it to a point where we can solve for the problem. In doing that, I'm going to subtract this over, this whole entire function over, and then I'm going to multiply by negative 1 to get rid of the negatives, or divide by negative 1. It gives the same result. In doing that, that will give you 6x squared plus 4xy times y prime is equal to 3x squared plus 9xy plus 5y squared. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide by this function over to here, leaving y prime is equal to 3x squared plus 9xy plus 5y squared. It's all over 6x squared plus 4xy. Now, what we're actually going to do for this problem is we are going to pull out variables and start dividing and trying to get rid of some of the variables and stuff like that. So I noticed that you can pull out an x squared on the bottom. It's going to sound kind of weird, but you can. You got an x squared, which leaves you with 6 plus 4y over x. And then if you pull a x squared out on the top, that's going to give you an x squared. They will cancel. And that'll leave you with 3 plus y over x. Excuse me, 9y over x. So 9 there. Plus 5y over x squared. Now we are going to do a substitution with v is going to be equal to y over x. Therefore, we can say that y is equal to vx, and therefore we can say that y prime is equal to v plus x v prime. There's a y prime here. Don't forget to bring that down. Now, replugging these substitutions in, this will give us v plus x times v prime, which is equal to 3 plus 9v plus 5v squared all over 6 plus 4v. Now we are going to subtract the v over here in hopes to get rid of some values and make life a little bit easier on us. In doing that, that'll give us xv prime is equal to 3x plus 9v plus 5v squared all over 6 plus 4v minus v. Now we are going to use the this can be simplified even further down into 3 plus 3v plus v squared all over 6 plus 4v. And now we're going to use the variable separable method, and separating the variables, this will give us 6 plus 4v all over 3 plus 3v plus v squared times v prime dx is equal to 1 over x dx. Now the reason we had to flip this over is just because that when separating the dv and dx and stuff, you have to flip it over so you can separate it properly. And now we're going to integrate these two functions. This will just give us natural log of x plus c. And this side, we're going to take out a 2 on this side, so that'll be 2 integral of 3 plus 2v over 3 plus 3v plus v squared dv, which that can be said it's equal to 2 natural log of 3 plus 3v plus v squared. Now that it is all integrated out, we can plug back in our v value, which will be 2 natural log of 3 plus 3 times y over x plus y over x squared is equal to natural log of x plus c. Now we were given an IVP. I got a new sheet of paper here. So our equation, I'm just going to rewrite it. It's 2 natural log 3 plus 3 times y over x plus y over x whole thing squared is equal to natural log of x plus c. So now we're going to use our IVP, which was y of 2 is equal to -6. Now, when we're gonna take this and plug it back into this equation, that'll give us 2 natural log 3 plus our y value is -6 over 2. There's supposed to be 3 there. Plus our -6 over 2 squared is equal to natural log of x, natural log of 2 plus c. And once you solve for c, you will find that c is equal to natural log of 9/2. Therefore, our general solution is going to be equal to 2 natural log of 3 plus 3 y over x plus y over x squared, which is equal to our natural log of x plus the ln 9/2. And that is your general solution for this problem.